Alright guys, it's my Revo 3.3 5309. Since we had a cold front, I wasn't able to drive it for a little bit, and now it's warming up again, and it won't start. I don't know what's wrong. New fuel line, new tank, everything works properly, it looks like, but nothing is working. As you can see, I have the air filter off right now, and everything but the engine is working. It starts when I feed it fuel, so it doesn't seem like when I put pressure through this, it doesn't seem like it's going through to the carburetor. It doesn't seem like it's getting gas at all. Sorry about that. To the carb at all. I've opened the carb to the with the idle, sorry, and it didn't do anything, and then I tried replacing the bearings. I ordered the wrong ones, so that didn't really help me, but I put the Go starter in here, and all I get is it cranking. Don't tell me that the plug is bad, because as you can see, it says it's good. And matter of fact, I will pull this out for you. Hold on, sorry. It's kind of hard to do that with one hand. I don't know if it's locked yet.